If you're experiencing login errors on your American Express account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that caps lock is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the shark.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can resolve many common problems. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. Outdated browsers can lead to compatibility issues with the American Express website. Update your browser and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you have tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to American Express customer support for assistance. They can help identify any account-specific issues or provide further troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on your American Express account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer service.